is not a website that will pay you nothing, but it will provide you with the possibility to earn a substantial amount of money on a daily basis. So, this could also turn into a source of passive revenue for you. This is not only simple to do, but it can also be done from the comfort of your own home. I am not sure why this website isn't more well known or talked about, but do not worry. I will teach you a Google method that actually works and will help you earn more money. Many people have made a lot of money as a result of this particular website, but many are keeping quiet about it. Hello and welcome on Crude Finance, where we show you how to make money online in the most straightforward way possible. For more opportunity videos to make money online, click the subscribe button and notification bell. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any question, feel free to leave a comment because someone is waiting to answer all your concerns. Now, let's get right into the first step. First thing you need to do is to go on your Google account and type in shrinkme.io. If you type in shrinkme.io, it's going to bring you to this page, and you have to click on this first link, and it's going to bring you to this page. I have already registered, but I want to show you what it should look like once you register. There should be a sign for you over here for you to register. So this is where you're going to register, and once you register, your dashboard is going to start looking exactly the way mine is looking right now. I will tell you the 3 steps that you need to start making money on this particular website. Firstly, you can see it right here. This is their payment proof. They pay out money every day, and the least they pay out is $5, which shows that you can cash out your little money through Bitcoin, bank transfer, ATM, anyone you have, even PayPal, which is very common. Anyone you have, you can always cash out your money through all of those banking methods. Okay, right now, when you are inside of this particular website and when you are in your dashboard, what you need to do is to get a particular link from YouTube. This site is going to shorten the link, and to everyone who click on this link, you are going to get paid for it. I will show you how much they pay per CPM for each country, and I'm going to be telling you how you can hack it to a point where you are going to have visitors from the highest paid country. And that is why I want you to stick around so that you do not miss out on the vital information that you need. And if you're enjoying this video so far, do me a favor, please click on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, let's go further. This is the next thing we are going to do. This is the page where we have to input our link wherever you copy your link from, but I will advise you get your link from YouTube, and this is how we click on shorten and it will shorten the link. So let's go search for our link. So you're going to go on YouTube, just type in YouTube, and we are going to be looking for a link of what we want to promote on a particular forum. Firstly, I want us to promote something that is very popular, something that is very common, something that we are very sure that you know yourself that people are definitely going or searching for this particular link. So yeah, we are going to be working with weight loss or fitness. Let's just type in weight loss video. Once you type in weight loss video, once you type in weight loss video, it's going to bring out all of this weight loss for you, all of these weight loss videos for you. And this is 2 weeks, this is 2 years. We are going to be looking at the recent posted video, and that is the link that we need for this particular website. I want you to know that you're not the only one on the website. There are so many people searching for the link that you're searching for. So it's always advisable to filter down to newly uploaded videos. So now we are going to go here and just click on filter so we can filter to this week. So it's going to bring out the fitness videos that were posted this week and that has higher view and higher engagements on them. So this is 1 year with 13,000 views. This is another 1 year with close to 10,000 views. This is 1 year with 47,000 views, and this is a shocking weight loss transformation. So if you're not working with weight loss, you can as well work with fitness videos. So you're going to search for it the same way you search for your weight loss video. So we're going to type in fitness workout, and then this is going to bring so many videos for you. You guys can see the very first one this shows us was 39 million views. But this is not the link you will copy, because this has 39 million views doesn't make it worth promoting. Okay, we're going to be looking at the latest new one that we are going to promote, that probably no one has ever posted on the site before. So we are going to go on our filter, and then we'll filter it down to this week. That means we're searching for videos that were posted this particular week. This is the 3,000 views, this is 56,000 views, and this is 100,000 views, and this video was posted 4 days ago. This is a good example of a video that you should be checking and the link you should be copying. So all you have to do is just double click and copy link address, and then go back to your dashboard, and you're going to be posting the link here. Once you post the link here, you can click on the shorten, and this website is going to be providing you the shortest link ever, and this is going to be your new link to promote that particular video. Now I know the problem on your mind now is, where are you going to promote this particular link? And that's what I want to show you. All you have to do is, there are so many forums online that promote fitness videos. You have to go back to Google and type in fitness forum. Once you're here, there are so many fitness forums. You can even use Quora as well to even put the link, and that is where people are going to get the link. Start clicking on the link and you'll get paid. So let's say you want to narrow it down to some countries that has the highest CPM. I will be showing you guys the CPM very soon. We are just going to type in a fitness forum in the United States, fitness forum in Canada, in Greenland, in Highland. That is what you're going to be typing in your Google search bar. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard, and I will be showing you guys here how they pay and their payout rate. So once you're here, once you sign in, you have $1 bonus directly into your account. That means once you register, you have $1 already. So the highest CPM, the country that has the highest CPM is Greenland, and this is $22. Highland is $16, Belgium is $7, United States is $7, United Kingdom is $7, and Canada is $6.50. And you guys, if you want to get people to click on your link from Greenland, Highland, all you have to do is fitness forum in Greenland. But I have to be honest with you guys, these forums in Greenland are not much. So you might probably be finding it very difficult for you to kind of like get a forum that you will paste your link. You can work with United States, you can work with United Kingdom, you can even work with Highland. But United States and United Kingdom has so much populations, and trust me, just ignore the $22. Just make your focus on United States and United Kingdom. This is the beginning of the year, and a lot of people want to reach their goal before the year runs out. So this is the best time to even go into the fitness niche. And the shorten link you have here is what you're going to copy and paste on those forums if you happen to join them. Some forums might tell you to kind of pay $1 or $2 to join. I would advise you to, because that is such a very small amount of money for what you're going to be gaining in return. So I'm going to advise you to kind of pay to that forum just for you to be able to post your link. If you can join Facebook groups as well, it's very okay. Quora is very okay. If you have your link that is being clicked, you're going to be getting paid, and whenever you want to pay out, just go to your dashboard and go to your withdraw, and this is where you're going to have access to withdraw your money for this new account. So if you know you are interested in this particular website, this is a way you can do it, and this is a way you can get so many people to kind of like click on your link. You can as well promote your link, but make sure you are promoting your link from countries that have higher CPM, so that you can get good amounts of money when they click on your particular video. I know now you're going to be wondering if you're going to get copyrighted for the link you copied from someone else's video on YouTube. But the answer is a big no, because you're even helping them promote their video but still getting paid in the process. So if you build a website or have a website that can provide to you amount of visitors that they are getting, you, there's a probability of you even getting higher payments than them as well. So this is a way that you can make money on this website. If this video really helps you, give us a thumbs up and turn your notification on to be the first person to get notified and get first-hand information on how you can make money from the comfort of your And if you have any question for us, drop in the comment section. Someone is there waiting to answer all of your questions. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.